I'm Howie at HDM3D. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the Filament Friday 3D printer toolkit. My dad sent this to me as a gift. Also, I'm not affiliated with Filament Friday at all, and I don't receive any money for this review. This kit is available on Amazon now for $39.99 US dollars. I'll put that link in the description below. Well, here's the box, and let's get to it. All right, here's the box. We'll open it. It's like inside, got a nice pouch, zipper pouch to keep all the tools in. Got a knife kit, really nice. Lots of different types of blades. Got a digital caliper. Really handy when you're designing your own projects. I use Fusion 360 and I have everything in millimeters. But if I need to switch to inches, this has it. Super handy. Does internal, external, and depth. Very nice unit. We've got some long handled pliers, or long nose pliers. Small so that you can get into places, pull supports off, or just hold little parts in place maybe. Very handy. Got some diagonal cutters. These are really nice. Very sharp, and these are great for cutting filament prior to printing, after printing, cleaning up supports. Just handy altogether. Put those here. We've got a glue stick. Always handy to have that while you're 3D printing. Got a 4-inch file. That's really nice for cleaning up prints, especially if you're going to paint them, or you just got some burrs you need to get off. This is really handy. We've got a deburring tool with several extra blades. Those will store inside here. Deburring tool is really nice. Clean off an edge of a print where it might have a brim on it or something. Just use the tool right across it, and it'll clean it right up. Really handy. We've got different types of brushes here. We've got a brass brush. It looks like a nylon brush. And a steel brush. And these are also great for cleaning up prints. Use the brass one to help clean up your nozzles. If you get plastic melted on there, just warm up the nozzle a little bit. This will help clean that off and get it back to good working order. And this is my favorite tool, actually. It's a little spatula and a print removal tool. This is really super thin. It's sturdy. And it'll get right underneath the prints. Slide it right underneath there, and you can just pop them off a little bit. Really, really handy. I use it a lot. We've got a guide in here. instruction manual, tells you what all the tools are. And got a nice cutting mat. Really sturdy, thick. It's got centimeters on here so that you can kind of measure whatever you're cutting. And it says Filament Friday right on it. Really cool. Very nice. And that'll fit into the zipper bag also. Got my product registration card. And Filament Friday sticker. So that's all the tools. Said you get a lot for the money. It's really great. If you bought all these parts individually, you pay way more than the price they have on there. Recently, I think they're $39. But I'll tell you, if you try to buy all these parts and pieces, you're going to pay a lot more than that individually. I'd give it a go. This is a great thumbs up. Cider. Well, as you saw, this is a great toolkit. It contains many of the tools you'll need for 3D printing. The tools are good quality. I highly recommend this kit. You can also find great 3D printing videos at filamentfriday.com. And that'll take you to YouTube. Shep is an intelligent guy, great, funny. He has great content. Well, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like. The links are here and here. Also, check out some of my other videos. And as always, let's 3D print everything.